Hi guys, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna do a quick one. It's gonna be talking about, as you can see, the Danessa Myricks yummy skin and the brush. I don't know what remember what it's called, but I'll put it somewhere so you can see, and of course it'll be linked below. So this is my honest review, and I decided to come on because I know it's something that's been talked about a lot and all of that, and you didn't, you're like, oh, what's the hype, girl, this stuff is like crack, I tell you, crack. I don't know what she put in this, but it's dry skin friendly. My skin is absolutely going through it right now, and this is so good. It's though for those persons who want a quick go-to. You can literally do a no makeup look with this, and it's the, I don't know if I said the whole thing, it's the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder, and I have it in the shade 9.5. You can get the one without the shade that's used as a primer. You can use this on your foundation. I guess where you'd use concealer to cover up black spots and stuff, you can just use this. And I've used this on vacation as foundation and some powder and went about my business. I didn't even need powder per se, but because it was hot I decided to put on powder. But now I'm back in the United States, I could just put this on and go. Literally, I'm telling you, like, I'll put pictures in from my birthday weekend, and this is what I use with some powder. And I used it along with concealer because, bags, designer bags under my eyes. But so good, so good. And everybody's like, oh, your makeup looks so great. I'm like, it's literally just this, some concealer and powder. Literally, that's it. And one time, I think when I went to the offshore island, it was just this and some highlighter because I didn't have enough time to do concealer and all of that. So I'm going to show you now what I mean. Like, this is so good. So it has a little scooper thing on the top. I don't use that. I'm the only one using it, and it's not like the primer I'm using, so I go straight into this with the Kabuki brush. I think this is a Kabuki brush, and it's shaped like this. It's almost like a teardrop. When I tell you, and it gets into the little, I'm gonna show you. Let me stop talking. Literally, I love this stuff. And at first it was coming off, when I first used it, it was coming off a little darker than it should, but when I tell you, it came together in the end. It came together. It made my skin so even. It looks a little red or orange on camera, but I promise you that's not what it looks like in real life. It is so good. I'm going a little more under my eyes, and it's so hydrating. And of course, for those of you who have oily skin and all of the things, you may want to prime a little bit more. I didn't prime, I just prepped my skin with, the original bad boy, and I went in with the ordinary 100% plant derived squalene oil because I'm really dry at the moment. So yeah, literally this is what it looks like. So I don't know if you saw before how my dark circles are still in through. They're still showing, but they're not as dark. And look, some blemishes still show through, like a little melasma hyperpigmentation I have here. If you want to go over it, you can. I don't want to go over it too much because it's my skin, and I'm going for makeup, no makeup. And literally, I've been filming this entire thing from beginning with me just chatting to now, and it's only been 4 minutes 38 seconds. Literally, you go to 2. And like I said, if I wanted to go the extra mile, you can literally just put some concealer, which I will do now to show you. So I have the Hourglass concealer, and of course the Danessa Myricks sells concealers as well, but you know, this was my first Danessa Myricks thing. And I'm running out of this, which I need to get more. I really should have a mirror here, but I don't. Use my mirror. I'm sorry. I cannot see anything. And I'm having allergies at the moment, so my eye is really puffy at the moment. Nothing can help this. And if you know of anything that could help my under eye, please do tell, because your girl is going through it. Literally. And some translucent powder in medium deep from Laura Mercier. Because we're going makeup, no makeup look. I'm going to go with this because it's not too brightening. I'm calling it literally a day. And if you want to go a bigger step further, and for those who have oily skin and you want to set your entire face, or you don't want to look too greasy, too shiny while your under eyes are really matte, I have my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. And I'm going in with it. For everywhere else that I didn't put concealer. And blend out the concealer under my eyes so it doesn't look too tough. And under here for good measure. Voila. That is literally that. That's it. And there we go. We're literally done. I highly recommend this to beginners in makeup, persons who aren't professionals like myself, persons who are on the go and just really want a 5-minute face. I do recommend this though. You can use another makeup brush, but I love this. I love how it just smooths everything across the face, and I love how quick this is, how beautiful it turns out to be. I love it. Like I said, it comes off a little red in the beginning, but once it's blended in, can't tell. I absolutely love this. So yeah, that was my honest take on this. I'm very surprised. It's like in a long time that persons who come out with makeup products haven't surprised me, and the girls were right. It wasn't just for hype. This stuff is the bomb. It actually works really well, so highly recommend. That's my 2 cents. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.